Eskute Nova Mini Electric Dirt Bike Review and Assembly Guide Best Compact Electric Dirt Bike? Looking for a compact electric dirt bike that still offers serious power? The Eskute Nova Mini is designed for riders who want an off-road machine without going for a full-size dirt bike. But is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Nova Mini features a 48-volt 23 removable battery and a motor rated at up to 3,500 watts peak power. Its claimed top speed is around 38 miles per hour, while range can reach much higher under ideal conditions. Real-world range will depend on rider weight, speed, terrain, and riding conditions. For off-road riding, the bike comes with wide tires, full suspension, and hydraulic disc brakes. These features are useful for handling uneven surfaces and giving the rider better control when riding on trails. The removable battery is another practical advantage. Instead of moving the entire bike to a charging location, you can remove the battery and charge it separately. Charging takes several hours, so overnight charging is the most convenient option. Assembly does require some work. You'll need to install components such as the handlebars, front wheel and related hardware, controls, lighting, and footrests. Before riding, it's important to check that all bolts, brakes, and electrical connections are properly secured. The biggest things to consider are the bike's weight and compact dimensions. Despite its smaller size, it's still a substantial machine, so it isn't as easy to transport as a normal bicycle. Rider fit is also important, especially for taller users. Overall, the Eskute Nova Mini is best suited to riders looking for a compact, powerful electric dirt bike for recreational off-road riding. If you mainly need a lightweight commuter or a simple city e-bike, there are better options. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think of the Eskute Nova Mini.